Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a review on these Madam Glam Builder Gel Polishes. Maria from Madam Glam was very kind and she sent me 4 of the new builder gel polishes that are already out, so you should be able to put your hands on them in case if you are interested in purchasing them. And I do apologize about my voice if I sound funny or stuffy. I can get over this cold. Hopefully it won't bother you too much, and I will try to keep my intro and outro pretty short. I will leave for you everything as far as these builder polishes in the description box, so there will be a direct link that you can click on. That is not an affiliated link, but you can also use my discount code JUDY30 for 30% off. That was provided to me by Madam Glam for my subscribers. Never used these builder gels from Madam Glam before. When I went to a nail tech school, we only used the builder gel from a jar, so I'm very curious to see if the application is different and how these will build up as far as color goes, because those were also clear gels. The application of these is exactly the same as with your regular builder gel, so you will prep your nails, you will add a layer of a base coat, and then you will apply your builder gel on top of it, cure it under a UV LED lamp, build it up to your satisfaction. Then you will file off any excess and of course clean off your nail and then top it with a top coat. The benefit of this is that there is an added color, so if you are not looking for a starking color payoff, this will be hopefully a good addition to your builder gels. But I will show you some applications on a stick. Fortunately, I'm running out of time a little bit, so I didn't have time to do it on my own nails, but stay tuned for some swatches on my Instagram account as well. If you do like this review video, then please thumbs it up for me. And of course, if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future review videos, then also hit the subscribe button. Alright, now I will jump into the review itself, and then I will come back and quickly share my thoughts on these builder gels with you. guys, here are all 4 swatches of the Builder Gel Polishes from Madam Glam that were sent to me for review. Please note I did not buff any of them, but I did apply a gel top coat so they look glossy and they are not sticky. I have to say that I probably prefer these builder gels in a pot rather than in this gel polish application form. I think it is a little easier to work with a regular brush rather than trying to apply the builder gel with the gel polish brush, mainly because it's much longer. I just prefer to have a shorter bristle for the application and it's more precise. Also, the formula on this seems to be a little different. For example, the light purple builder gel was quite thick. I don't know if it was only me, but this one was the thickest out of the 4. I found it the easiest to work with on the first layer, but on the second layer I was definitely more impressed with the Royal Blue Builder Gel. The mint one is really pretty. I do like the minty shade of the polish, and that's the aquamarine. And also magenta is pretty nice. It's not as vivid as other magenta gel polishes that I do own, so if you would like it a little deeper, I think you may need another coat on top of the 2 coats that I did. Again, this is just a personal preference. I would prefer this in a pot rather than in the regular gel polish bottles, but the formula on this is pretty good, except, as I said, at first I really liked the light purple builder. On the second coat it became very thick. Maybe only 1 coat for that one, maybe that's where I made my mistake. Also keep in mind these are builder gels, so you don't brush them on the nails the same way as you would a gel polish. This you have to kind of build up, get a nice apex in the middle, and also try to keep it connected the entire time as you are applying them. That's why they are a little, as you could see, stringier rather than liquidy, so that you can keep the consistency of the builder together. I hope that made sense. I am still glad that I do own these. I will definitely be playing with them a little bit more, and as I said, I just prefer, or I wish that they would be in pots rather than in the gel polish bottles, but that's only my personal preference. You can definitely use your regular brush. It can be a little iffy, but I don't think it's impossible to do that. So let me know what are your thoughts, and if you ever tried Madam Glam's builder gels and if you like them. I did see a couple videos like the neutral shades. I think those seem to be working a little better because there is not much pigment in those, but I do think it's a good product. It can be a little tricky though, so if you are just starting off with builder gel polishes, I don't know, I mean, give it a try, get 1 color that you like, play with it, try if you like it better in the bottle, or maybe just use your gel brush and apply it that way. Anyways, thank you so much Madam Glam for sending this to me. As I mentioned, you can use my code Judy30 for some discount if you are interested in these, and I will have linked everything for you in the description box as well. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.